Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to create a Facebook page for your lawn care business. Now this is a great way of just setting something up that'll help you get started, and it'll actually help you get a few leads as well. I'll show you how to do that later on in this course. The first thing you do is you set up your page. This is the page that I've set up for this business, Lawn Mowing 101. This is my marketing business, and I'm going to show you how to set up a page like that. The first thing you do is you go to your account, and then you see all the profiles. Now you'll probably just have a couple here. The next thing you do is you go down and you go to the create button and press that. Now what you want to do is you want to make a public page, and so just click public page, click next. So it says create a new page. Here, let's get started. Okay, so what's the name of this page? So let's say the name of your business is Stu's Mowing. So we'll call it that. And now it's time to pick your category. The only two categories that you'll really get to choose from with Facebook is either landscaping company or gardener, so you can choose whatever one you want. And then write a little bit about yourself. So this is a description that I've just written, the bio, and you can see that the bio goes underneath here. So try and let people know where your business is and what your services are, and follow it with a call to action. Then you just hit create page. So Stu's Mowing has now been created and it's ready to work on. So let's go to next. Add a profile picture. So for a profile picture, we'll go with this. This is your time. This is the time for you to put in your logo. Don't make it too complicated. Keep it pretty simple. Add your cover photo. It will crop down whatever image you put in there. You can go to Canva and just type in Facebook page cover as your search, and you'll be able to find a cover that'll go in there and design your own cover. So this is what it looks like so far. I'd like to add an action button. You want call now or message, depending on which one you prefer. I prefer call now, so people can call me. Right, and now we'll go with next. Here you can pop in your WhatsApp number if you're using that app. I'll skip it. Then it asks you if you want to invite your friends. I won't invite them because this is a demo, but I'd suggest that you do, because if you get a few people following your page from the start, it actually gives you a little bit more of a profile. So do you want page notifications? Yeah, I'd say do this. So you want that. This is basically going to ask you, if you tick yes on this, it's going to ask you whether you want ads. Okay, so now we've got the page ready. Let's take a tour. So this is where you switch between your profiles. This here is where you can see your dashboard. This is where you can see your page's feed. And we're all done here. And so what you want to do now is you want to actually make a post. So we'll just go here. So we'll add the button for the phone number. I'd recommend, if it ever gives you the option, to add your phone number. You put it in there, and voila, there's your first post. Here's your page. You're ready to go. I'll just run through some of the options here on your page. You've got the About Me menu, which means that you can add your address, add your service area, add your phone number, add your email. I'd do all of that. You can add your services too, so I'd definitely do that. Mentions, reviews, this is where you can get your reviews. Followers, no followers yet. Photos, you can actually stick up a folder here if you want to, but I prefer just to post them. And that's about it. What I would say is go through this About Me page and fill in all of this information, because Facebook will like that. And that's it. Now your page is ready to go and you're good to go out there and find yourself some lawns to mow.